Today we are visiting a new harvest host. This is a Villa de la Vine in the Temecula Valley. We used to visit the wineries here in the Temecula Valley back 20 years or so ago, and there was maybe a dozen of them, and now there's 50 going on, another 40 according to the woman who runs this beautiful bed and breakfast. But she also accepts harvest hosts one at a time.
We are on our way to Viva de la Vigne, which is a bed and breakfast in Temecula. It is Monday, the 9th of May, and this is a harvest host. It's not a winery, it's just a harvest host. And we are on a road here. We're still 6 miles away, but when we turned onto this road, there's multiple wineries here, but I guess we're gonna not stop here. Maybe we'll visit something tomorrow if we see something that's nice, but this is where we are.
Yeah, this is the outskirts of Temecula. So we're in the Temecula Valley. And we used to come to Temecula 20 years ago to visit some wineries here. The area has really grown, both in terms of residential neighborhoods, ranches, but also vintners and wine tasting rooms. It's really quite amazing how much development there's been in this backcountry.
So we're about 3 miles away, but there are a lot of wineries out here. Just every look on your right, on your left. I mean, it's just one after another. So hopefully we're going to be able to find a wine map. But this looks nice. It's really beautiful out here. A lot of really big tasting rooms and or homes.
there are vines here, although this is not a vintner, so I don't think she makes wine. Maybe somebody harvests these grapes and turns them into wine.
Look at how nice.
She has beautiful,
Or maybe it's just ambiance.
yeah.
There's not a pool.
This is a hilltop view, and it is absolutely gorgeous.
This would be a wedding venue.
Yeah, I'm sure it is,
They come down here
but
and lights are.
it's just not as clear a day as we might have, but it's still gorgeous here. It's quite breezy. There are quite a few wineries on the Di Bortolo Road just below us, down in the valley. There they are down there. We should visit some of them tomorrow.
We will.
Just a beautiful house up here. We got a nice spot where we could park our Winnebago Travado. And the breeze actually feels very nice. Although because of the breeze, I probably won't be able to fly Dusty the drone. Not in this kind of breeze. Sun is heading down in the sky. And we'll turn around, take a look at this beautiful harvest toast. So, Kate, what do you have to say?
It's cold. It's beautiful here. It's beautiful. Could be more clear, but it looks foggy, sort of, right?
Yeah? A little bit